Onder Sabie, 'n gewilde ruskamp in die suide van die Kruger Wildtuin, se winkel is in puin gelaat nadat 'n brand op 21 April vanjaar hier ontstaan het.
The cause of the fire is still under investigation, and SANParks is fully cooperating with relevant authorities to determine exactly what happened. The safety of our guests and staff has always been our top priority, and I want to reassure everyone that everyone on site was safe. Our team, working closely with emergency responders, acted quickly to contain the fire. Thanks to the swift and coordinated efforts, we were able to prevent the flames from spreading to the restaurant and the reception area, protecting the rest of the camp's infrastructure. In addition, we quickly removed the 15 gas bottles that were connected to the restaurant and the shop building to further minimize any risk.
'n Tydelike winkel is intussen oopgemaak om aan die behoeftes te voldoen van die gaste wat wel nog hier kuier. Die Mug & Bean, 'n restaurant by die kamp, is intussen ook weer oopgemaak, hoewel mense nou net wegneem etes kan eet.
Our focus remains on providing an excellent guest experience while maintaining the safety and the natural beauty that people expect when visiting the park. Looking forward ahead, SANParks is committed to carefully restoring and redeveloping the affected area.
Ek is Mizaan van Wyk vir Marula Media, onder Sabie.